Hi, my name is Kimroy Bailey, and this is a story of the third place Jamaican robot called Jambot. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer hosts its annual robotics competition as a part of its Southeast Conference. Jamaica is the only non-American country represented at the competition. Our robotics team flew to America and immediately started working. And working we did. And more work. And even more work. Over 50 other universities from the United States of America were represented at the competition, and small Jamaica stick to the mantra that we little but we talawa. Our robot was finally ready for the road. The robot was a small device designed to fit in your roof or attic, and in the event of any electrical damages, the robot should be able to measure voltage, waveform, temperature, and other parameters and make a decision accordingly. The Jamaican robot executed his task efficiently and came out third, yes, third in the open competition. We proudly walked to the stage and collected our award. If China, Japan, and Germany can do it, Jamrock can do it too. My generation will let the world know that Jamaica is more than just tourism, more than just sun, sand, and sea. This is Innovation Nation, home of the Kimroy Bailey Robotics Camp. Visit our website at www.kimroybailey.com and see how you can learn to make the Bailey Botics, a firefighter robot powered by solar energy and controlled with a smartphone, made right here in Jamaica. We have evening, weekend, summer, and online camps to share our technology to help our economy grow to a new dimension. This is Team KB. Let's keep believing. Register today.